Hey, what's up everybody? So it's Tech Tuesday, but you know what? It's a little bit interesting because I know I have a lot of variety of audience here on my YouTube channel. A lot of people are here from cruise ships and some of my adventure videos around the world. And some of you guys are actually the creative type. Making videos on YouTube, your goal is to grow subscribers, and that means you have to put videos out there as much as you can. And I do get questions a lot about how I use and create certain things, and I wanted to show you this because I think this is a really clever hack. Why did I get it? And like last year, I did a video on CreatorCast. I wanted to share it on my channel because I get a lot of people asking me how I do specific things, and I wanted to share this because I think this is a great tool to have to where you can use this and you can make your videos look a lot more professional. So this is the Rode PSA-1, and it's meant to be more of a microphone stand for podcasting or for doing, voiceovers and things. I actually think that there's so much more to use with this thing. That's right, I have the camera mounted on the Rode, and it's how I get shots like this. So if you think about it, all you do is you get this microphone stand, you attach it to a desk. It's kind of like a portable overhead rig. And the reason I use the Manfrotto 492 ball head is because then you can actually adjust it further and make it a lot more simple to use. I was able to travel around with this and do some cool tech review on the road, just easily put it on any desk. I'm using this on my Sony a6500. And you could use it on really any other DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. The best part about it is it's weighted basically perfect for this. I mean, I'm literally lifting that up and there it is. Boom. And then the other part of it too is that a lot of these cameras, they have apps where you can connect what's happening on the screen. So when you use this as an overhead rig, you can have this as your display to see what's exactly going on. But yeah, so I'm making this video for you guys, the creative people who would see this and be like, that's a great idea. I want to get shots like that. I would love to see what you come up with. So let me know in the comments, send me a link. But that's Tech Tuesday here, and thank you very much. Can't wait to show you all the cool stuff coming up very soon. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention. And if you want more people to see it, share it.